Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Hidayat. I'm from Information Systems Sriwijaya University. So today I will present my midterm exam on terminal operation and Linux. Let's go straight into the first question. For the first question is directory structure. For the first one, create a main directory name nama in home mahasiswa. We took a few steps to manage direction and fill in the Linux environment. First, we enter the home student directory. Using the cd command in this directory, we create a main directory with the name, student number, and my name. Using the mkdir command, this directory name follows the format of name and student name. After the main directory is successfully created, we enter the directory using the cd command. Inside the main directory, we create three subdirectory. The name is document, archive, and code, using the mkdir command. These subdirectory are created to organize files based on certain categories. After creating the subdirectory, we use the ls-la command to display the directory structure. And its detail, this command display all files and directory, including hidden ones, with information such as permission owner, size, and modification date. The results show that the main directory contains three subdirectories: archive, document, and code. Let's move to second question. The second question is file manipulation. Create a file named identity.txt in the document directory. The command creates a new file called identity.txt in the document directory and writes 3 lines of text containing student information, name, student ID, and study program. Into it. The echo command is used to output text to the terminal, but when combined with the redirection operator, it writes that text to a file instead. The -e flag enables interpretation of \escape, allowing us to use n for new lines, creating a properly formatted multi-line file. The direction operator creates a new file or overrides an existing one with the specific content. This technique is commonly used in shell scripting for generating configuration files or creating template documents. For V, this command copies the identity.txt file from the document directory to the archive directory, giving the copy a new name, identity backup.txt, while preserving the original file. The cp or copy command creates a duplicate of a file in a different location. This command takes two parameters: the search file path and the destination path. When the destination includes a different file name, as in this case, the copy will be created with that new name. The copy operation does not affect the original file, which remains intact in its original location. This is a fundamental file management operation in Linux, useful for creating backup for duplication content. And the last one for second question is the C. Identity.txt file from this command moves the identity.txt file from the document directory to the code directory, removing it from its original location. The mv or move command is used to reload files or directories from one location to another within the file system. Unlike the copy command, move operation removes the file from the original location. Next, third question. Oh, I'm sorry. Penjelasan for number 2 and D. This comment displays the entire context of the identity backup.txt file on the screen, showing all text within the file without opening in editor. The cat, the cat or concatenate command is primarily used to display files content directly in the terminal. It reads the file sequential and output its content without any modifications. Okay, next, the third question. The third question is access permission configuration. For A, this command modifies the permission of the identity backup.txt file so that the owner can read and write to it. Group members can only read it and others have no access at all. For the B, these commands change the ownership of the identity backup.txt file to user, root, and group staff, requiring super user privilege to execute. C. This command displays detailed information about the identity backup.txt file, including its update permission and ownership status. Next, number 4. Number 4 is symbolic link. For A, this command creates a new file name, reference name.txt. In the name underscore name directory and writes a documentation description text into it. For B, this command creates a symbolic link name shortcut name.txt that points to the reference name.txt file. The links acts as a pointer or shortcut to the original files. Next, for the C, this command displays a detailed listing of all files and directories in the name directory, including hidden files and symbolic links showing their attributes and relationship. Next, D. This command refreshes the content of the reference name.txt file with a new message stating that the documentation has been updated by the student. Next, the last one for question is number A. This command displays the content of the symbolic link target, showing the update content of the reference name.txt even though we are accessing it through the shortcut name.txt. For the last one, user mask. And the last one is user mask, which is 5 question in this exam. This commands display the current umask value, which is a system setting that determines the default permission for newly created files and directory. Umask 1 to 7, this command changes the umask value to 1 to 7, which will affect the default permission of any new files and directory created afterward in the current shell session. And we create the torch. This command creates a new empty file called dataname.txt with permission determined by the recently modified umask value. And ls min lcode. This command displays the detailed file information for data name, showing the permission that were assigned based on the umask settings. For the last one, the umask value. For the last one, you must control the default permission of new files by subtracting them from the default value. 666 for files and 777 for folders. For example, if the umask is 1 to 7, the file will have 640 permission, where the owner can read and write, groups only read and other cannot access. This helps improve security by automatically restricting file access as needed. So it's all my presentation. Thanks for your attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.